In this lecture, we will be seeing about Karna's map or K-map, a graphical display of the fundamental product in the truth table is called K-map. It's a method of simplifying Boolean algebra expressions. It is more suitable for minimizing Boolean functions of 2 variables up to 5 variables. Consider this truth table. 3 variables x, y, z are input and f is the output. We need to simplify this truth table. So f equal to, first we will see take all the one output. So f equal to x dash y dash z plus next term is this x dash y z plus next term is x y dash z dash plus last term x y z dash. So we need to simplify this. So in other terms, in the previous lecture itself we have seen what is canonical form. So sigma will be all ones. So 1, 3, 4 and 6, and pi will be the next thing, that is all zeros. So 0 to 5 and 7. So now we need to simplify this equation. So in order to minimize, we will be taking x dash z common. So y dash plus y will be inside, and by considering this thing, these two, this common term is x z dash. So we will take outside, and y and y dash will be inside. So we know already y dash plus y will be equal to 1 by Boolean expression. So it will be 1. The final thing will be x dash z of 1 plus x z dash of 1, and the minimized equation will be f equal to x dash z plus x z dash. The same thing we can use K-map to simplify. If we use K-map, it's a 3 variable truth table. So we can minimize this truth table with the values x, y and z like this. See here, we can solve by using K-map. So xy will be in one side and z in this side. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. This will be the format. So 1, 1 will be before 1, 0. Okay. So here the third variable is 0 and 1. Nothing more than that. So first we need to put all ones here. What are the ones? First one is x dash y dash z is 1. Yes, we can consider these things. Okay. So this will be this 0, 0 will be x dash y dash. This thing will be x dash y. This will be x y. This will be x y dash. Okay. Similarly, this will be z dash and this will be z. Okay. So now first let's see x dash y dash z. So x dash y dash z. So this one. Okay. Put one here. Next term is x dash y z. So where is x dash y z? So this term again here. Next one. Next thing is x y dash z dash. So where is x y dash z dash? So put here one, and the last one is x y z dash. This will be x y and this is z dash. So here 1. So we have put 4 ones, and we can replace all the empty other spaces with zeros. Okay. So then now we need to pair this. We can pair this one and this one. Okay, together. So finally we can write. We have to see which is common. So for these two, z dash is common. So we write z dash. Then here see which is common here. x y dash, which is common x. So you write z dash x, this term. Okay, now come here. Which is common? Z is common. And here x dash y dash and x dash y, which is common? X dash is common. So what we need to write? Z x dash. Okay, the same thing is coming. Okay, either we can solve in this simplification manner or using K-map, but K-map is more easier. Okay, now we will be seeing a 4 variable K-map example. Okay, this is 3 variable example, and now we will be seeing 4 variable example. Simplifying using K-map, this is the sum given. F, A, B, C, D, sigma, this number, and D is don't care, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D means 4 variable. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 variable. This is sigma 10, 11, 14 and 15. Okay, D is nothing but don't care. We need to choose among the 4 thing which is the answer. Okay, so now we will be seeing the same example here. For your better understanding, I have redrawn here. So, what will be the first step? First, we need to draw this tabular column. I will tell how we can write this. Okay, so if 4 variable comes, AB and CD, you have to put AB here and CD here, or else AB there, CD here, anything of your choice. Okay, but AB, if 2 variable comes, what you have to do? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0 like this, and here also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. This will be the order, so we cannot change the order. And one thing we need to remember, there are 16 boxes, check box are here. So in what order you should write means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then come to the last one. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This will be the order. Okay. So now step 2, this will be the step 1, and step 2 is we need to fix all the terms. What are the terms given? F, this is the output. What is the output? 0, 1, 2, 8, 9, 12, 13. Okay. So we need to put 1 here. 0, which is 0? 0 is here. All 0. So we are putting 1. Then next one is 1. 0, 0, 0, 1 is 1. Next term is 2. 2 is here. Okay. 2. What is the next term? 8. 8, 9, then 12, 13. Okay. This many number of ones, 7 ones available. Then for don't care D, again they have given 4 values. So for don't care, you will be using always X. Okay, not 1. So the values are 10, 11, 14 and 15. So we are putting into here 10, 11, 14, 15. Okay. So these are the values. Okay, we have fixed the values. Now we need to solve using K-map. 4 variable K-map. Okay. For your better understanding, I have written this 0, 0 as both 0 means both dash. Okay. So C dash, D dash. Then here C dash D, C D, C D dash. Similarly, A dash, B dash, A dash, B, A, B, A, B dash. Okay. For your better understanding, I have written like this. Now we need to pair it. Okay, so if all the values are here like this, we can pair everything together. It will be easy for us. So a big round. So now we need to find what is common. For these 2 rows, what is common? A is common. Okay, and here see, for all the 4 columns, anything is common. C dash for these 2 it's common. This is 2 for C common. Nothing is common for all 4 columns. So we have to take only A. Okay. This big round will give A. Okay. The next thing is we have 3 more values have left over. We should not left over anything. So we need to pair again. Like this we can pair this thing and this thing. Okay. Like this we can pair. Okay. So now consider only these 2 values and these 2 values. Okay. So these 2 values, which is so you consider this thing and for these two things you have to consider this thing. Okay, so which is common? B dash is common. So B dash is common for these two, and see here which is common? C dash is common. Okay, so C dash is common. So for this round we are using what is that? B dash, C dash. Okay, next only one thing is left over. So how we can pair? Like this we can pair. Okay, this one, all four corners you can take. Okay, all four corners you can take. Okay, now you consider all four corner values. What are the values? First let's consider these two corner. Okay, so this thing and this thing, which is common? D dash is common here. Okay, here also D dash, here also D dash. Then you consider these two rows. Okay, all corner values. So these two means A dash, B dash and A dash, B dash. Which is common? B dash is common. So for this third one, what will be the common thing? B dash and D dash. Okay, so this will be one value, this will be one value, and this will be one value. So the answer for this example 4 variable K map is the simplified Boolean algebra expression is F equal to A plus B dash C dash plus B dash D dash. Hope you have understood this concept. Thank you.